looking for a place to make you feel relaxing, refreshing, swimming and diving, and most of all, bonding with your friends? Come and visit the undiscovered beauty of mangrove area in Barangay Sidlakan, Surigao City. And now mga kaasay, let's see and discover the beauty of this area, mangrove area. Sanvicente ng Barangay Sidlakan. So, we ang pinasagad rin ka-discover, pero atin din kuman i-discover but muna ija beauty. A good place to relax your body and soul. Breathe and enjoy the refreshing air of nature. Dive and swim freely like there's no tomorrow. Looking for adventure? Come on, let's climb and fall. And take time to bond with your friends where nature offers its beauty.
Ilaw dito sis. Ibit mo, mag-ibit. Banding. Imog-mag.
Perfect. Yan sa parang virgin.
Gani, kalain mo gunot.
Utin pen, dakop na dadon. Go. Ay!
Nako,